I didn't start the piano until I was 10, simply because I didn't have a piano until then. And my father found that the best teachers in the city were the nuns at the Sacred Heart Convent. The teacher I had was absolutely incredible. She was very, very good. She not only taught the piano, she taught the violin, the viola, the cello, and she led the choral group. I studied with her over 10 years, at which time I had already won state competition 2 years in a row at the New England Conservatory, 2 years in a row. The fact that I was sent to a convent where Jewish people simply did not go into a convent in those days, it didn't bother me in the least, because my teacher knew the approach. When you're a teacher, you have to know how to approach your pupil. And she, one time, just simply once, as we were walking through the halls, there's statues along the way, and she would genuflect, you know. And she was behind me for some reason. She tugged at me. She wanted me to kneel too. But I turned around and just looked at her, and that was the end of it. Yeah. But she was a fantastic teacher, and I owe all my knowledge of music. I do music from the minute I wake up till I practically go to bed.